everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you this last minute Christmas Day makeup tutorial. As you can see in my last video, I did something more natural and glam, but for this is like a more colorful, fun Christmas makeup look. So if you'd like to see that, then just keep on watching. But before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button right there and also have your post notifications turned on. That way you're notified every single time that I upload. So yeah, if you want to see this look, then just continue watching. So this is the completed look. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 1,500 subscribers by the end of the year. I think we can do it. I have like 30 more left to go. So just subscribe. Also make sure you're following all my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. They're all linked in the description. And also make sure you leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Leave some suggestions on some future videos, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. And that is pretty much all I have to say. So again, make sure you're subscribed, comment down below in this video, like this video, have your post notifications turned on. That's all I have to say. Merry Christmas, have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys. What you know about that? What you know about that? I know all about that. Oh, the hello. Look how green my eyes look. Oh my god. I got somebody, baby mama, calling me daddy. I drank too much, please call me a cat. I thought this was open. Thank God it was not. That would have been my ass. Yo, look at that difference, yo. Look at that difference, yo. Look at this eye compared to this eye, like. What the f. Settle down. It's never that.